Four construction pros from ConExpo 17 right here at the Las Vegas Convention Center, and with me now is Nick Tullo, who's sales manager of SDLG North America. How are you?
Very good.
Nice to meet you. Glad to have you aboard.
Thank you for bringing me here.
Well, what did you bring to the convention this year?
Well, we're excited to actually have a booth this ConExpo.
Ta-da!
Yeah. So last ConExpo, we were first introducing the brand to the North American market, and we were talking to some of the Volvo dealers, trying to expand our distribution into the North American market. So we didn't have a booth at that time, but we've had a lot of success over the past 4 years.
You certainly have.
So we've gone from 7 dealers to 30 Volvo dealers, and we've seen a couple hundred units go to market.
Okay.
So it's been successful, and so we thought, let's get a booth at ConExpo.
Well, you got new compact wheel loaders on the market now. Give us an idea what you're bringing to bear.
So right now we currently have a 2.5 yard, a 3 yard, and a 4 yard machine, and that's about 80% of the market.
Yeah.
And we've seen a lot of success with the smaller wheel loaders, so we decided, let's bring in a 1 yard compact wheel loader at the same price of a large skid steer. So there's a big market of opportunity here, not just focused on the compact wheel loaders, but also focused on that large skid steer for those customers that might want to move into a bigger size class machine.
There's a lot of commonality there between the two of them.
There is. And we tried to build the machine so that you could pick up skid steer attachments. So the skid steer coupler is going to be standard equipment on this machine. Third function is standard on the machine. It's a very basic, simple machine, and right now it's priced at $54,500, which is about the average price of a brand new skid steer in that same size class.
What are you using for power?
Right now we've got a Deutz 3.6 liter. It's the latest Deutz engine that just came out, so it features the divert technology, so it's just DOC. You don't have DEF, DPF filters that you have to maintain, and it's all passive regen, so all you have to do is turn the machine on and you're good to go.
They're using all wheels, or are you using some tracks, or combination of the two, or?
It's a wheeled compact wheel loader, so no tracks or anything, but it's about the size of a Volvo L30, right around there. 74 horsepower, 15 mile an hour ground speed, 31 gallons per minute, which means it can use anything from a broom to a miller to a coal planer. So it makes it very versatile if there's a customer that wants to move into that class.
Was there any particular reason that you decided to go into this size class? Because it's kind of unique.
The market for compact wheel loaders and skid steers there's a big, let's say, opportunity there between those two product lines. So we think at the price point we have, with the features we're offering on this machine, with the Volvo distribution, we think it's going to be a big hit.
Now this 918F that you've got out in the marketplace, that's a new machine this year?
It is, and we're going to have stock in July, so we're making some final touches on the machine, but we're proud to say that one has been sold already, that we have here, so it's a good sign. What
kinds of applications are you looking to put in for this machine? Have you specified it into just one area, or is it a wide-ranging amalgam?
You know, talking to some of the territory managers that I work with, we pick our brains and say, where do we think this would best fit? So we think it's going to be in stone yards, retail mulch yards, could be great for snow plowing, snow removal in very small parking lots. We think it can run about a 10 to a 12 foot blade. It's going to have enough tractive force and enough horsepower. So I think those type of applications, it's going to be perfect for that. So,
what's the size of that platform on that machine offhand?
As far as weight?
Weight, that's that sort of situation, and its actual size.
So it's a 15,000 pound machine.
Okay.
The height on this machine is 9 foot 7 inches, and it's got a similar wheelbase to I'm trying to think, like a 918, 920, Volvo L30, right in that area. So it makes it very versatile. It's not too small, but it's not too big. So it's kind of a sweet spot for that. So.
And it could be used in so many applications. It's just, you could just start a list and
Yeah.
never come to an end with it.
And we think the price point's really going to be the driver behind this, and somebody who's looking for something simple. Because at SDLG, we like to say our new technology is simplicity. Rolling back on some of the technology, and we've noticed that our customer base appreciates a machine that they can purchase at a good price, and they can get all the features they want, and they don't have to pay for the features they're not going to use.
Now, across your SDLG line, is everything wheeled? All of your equipment's wheeled?
Yes, sir. Everything is wheeled right now. So from the 1 yard all the way to the 4 yard, all wheel loaders at this point.
At this point.
Yes,
so
sir.
Are you looking to go into tracks?
We probably won't go into tracks, but we may be bringing in other product introductions in the future. So
yeah, interesting.
That's exciting news, and we'll see. It's been successful so far, and the Volvo distribution's appreciated.
Now, are you operating out of the Volvo booth, or you have your own booth at the show?
We have our own booth, so we're outside, but we're next to Volvo, and we're also next to Terex, which is a division of Volvo Construction Equipment.
You're all kind of in the
we're
same
all
family.
one big family there.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right.
So,
Which lot are you at?
We're at 3890, I believe. It's right next to the Volvo booth. Gold lot.
Gold lot.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Outside in the sunshine.
Well, Nick Tullo, sales manager for SDLG.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate you coming and bringing a message.
Thanks
Been
for
interesting, and much luck, much success.
Thank you very
from
much.
ConExpo 17.